It's an important part of your holistic marketing strategy, but the numbers don't lie. All right, so today's question is, how do I install Google Analytics on my WordPress website? Okay, so this is super simple. I'm going to commend you for even wanting to do this, and most people haven't done this, so let me tell you a little bit about why you should be doing this. There's a lot of business owners, specifically online business owners, that are doing a lot on social media. They're creating a lot of content, and they're not checking to see, is this actually driving traffic to my website? And then am I converting those people to my email list? That is really how you're going to make money in online business, not vanity metrics of just getting followers and engagement on social media. It's an important part of your holistic marketing strategy, but the numbers don't lie. So you need to be looking at this. So I'm glad you're doing this. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'll show you how to install it on your website. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is go to analytics.google.com. You'll be able to log into your G Suite account. If you don't already have one, you'll have to create one. Then you're going to go to admin. And what you'll see there is, then you'll see 3 columns of different options for you to look into. So where you want to go is tracking info. You'll expand that. And then you're going to hit tracking code. So when that populates, what you'll see here is a global site tag here, right? So you're going to copy all of this here. Pretty simple. Just copy and paste it. And then you want to go to your WordPress website. Now, really important here, I use Divi. This is likely going to be the case for most people. You're going to want to look at your theme that you have installed on your website. I highly recommend Divi or Elementor as great ones to look into if you don't already have that on your website. But what I'm able to do here is quite simple, is you'll see a list of different options across my theme options with the Divi builder. So where I go to is integration. No matter if you have a theme or whatever the case may be, you want to look for a universal head right here, right, of where you're going to embed this. So that's really what you're looking for, regardless if you use Divi or not. You want to make sure that you're embedding this on the head of your entire website. But for Divi, it's quite simple because they have the integration feature already built into the theme with the theme options. Then what you'll see here is you're going to embed all of the pieces of code that you're going to add. So this could be a lot of tracking code. So it could be Pinterest, Facebook, obviously Google's included, Twitter. But you just add those right here, and you can see here's that chunk of code that we just copied and we dropped right here. You would save that, right? So you scroll down and you make sure you hit save changes. I won't do that because I already have that on my site. Okay, and then what you're going to want to do next is you're going to want to send test traffic. And what'll pull up here is you'll see it populates my website. And what you'll want to notate here is that you want to see an increase of 1, right? So if you see 1 person, 1 active user, if you see 0 still, after you do send the test traffic, it means it is not working. It can take up to 30 seconds, so be a little bit patient. You may have to refresh it and try it again. But this will tell you if A, this thing is working, and B, if it was installed correctly. So hope that helps you out. Great, great, great question. And I'm glad you're thinking about analyzing data and numbers and where traffic is coming from. If you're watching this and you have other questions that are either business or marketing related, that's what I do here on this channel. And Startup UTV is answer your business and marketing questions. Make sure you drop those in the comments below, or you can tag me on social media at HeyCMH. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.